Switching to low-impact cleaning supplies cuts pollution and protects building occupants without raising costs. Start by auditing current products to identify toxic chemicals and single-use items. Choose cleaners certified by recognized third-party programs that test for health and environmental criteria, and read ingredient lists for simple surfactants, citric acid, and plant-derived solvents. Move toward concentrated formulations and use dilution control systems so you transport fewer bottles and reduce plastic waste while keeping application consistent. Replace disposable paper towels with high-quality washable microfiber and establish laundering protocols using cold water and minimal detergent to preserve fiber life. For personal protective equipment, select reusable masks and gloves where appropriate and implement clear donning and doffing practices to keep staff safe while cutting disposables. Train staff on proper dosing, contact times, and spot testing to avoid overuse. Make quick reference cards for each product and include common surface compatibility notes. 3 frequent issues are product performance concerns, resistance from staff used to single-use convenience, and supply chain variability. If new green products seem less effective, verify correct dilution and dwell time and perform a small-scale comparison on soiled areas to demonstrate parity. When staff resist change, involve them in product trials, collect feedback, and tie greener practices to health benefits and long-term cost savings to build buy-in. For inconsistent availability or price swings, qualify multiple suppliers, order concentrates to reduce volume risk, and keep a small safety stock of critical items to avoid last-minute switches that disrupt protocols. On BigHomeProjects.com, we connect homeowners and contractors around home improvement needs related to sustainable choices. We host a discussion community where members share experiences with green cleaning products and local service recommendations. And we help contractors find job leads from homeowners looking for eco-conscious office cleaning services.